In this video, I'll be showing you how to change language on Amazon app. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on literally anything you're using, whether you're on iPhone, Android, Samsung, or anything like that. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, open up your Amazon application. And right now, of course, everything for me is currently in English, as you can see right now. So once you have Amazon open like this, it's going to show any different deals or anything like that that you might have. What you want to do is click the second tab, which is your user tab, and it's going to show any past orders or anything like that. But on the top right, you're going to see the flag. For in my instance, it's going to be the UK flag. What I want to do is go ahead and click on that. Then I can see country and region, language, and currency. So I don't actually have to change my country or region. I can just go ahead and straight away change my language. And it shows all the different languages that are currently available on Amazon. And then all you got to do is find whichever one you want, click on it, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.